Hello everyone. In my last tutorial, I told you that don't use Google Fonts by default because it slows down your website. Don't worry, in this tutorial, I will show you 2 easy ways to change fonts in your WordPress website. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, scroll down and you can see the appearance option. You have to click on this customize. Inside the customizer, look for global settings. You will find this in the here. Click on this. Here you can see the typography option. You have to click on this. Now you can see the base font and the headings font. Base font is basically the subtext of your website, like this one, and the heading is the title of your websites. So now I will change the body font. Now here you can change the fonts by your own. Click on this and search the font you want. Here is the font I would choose. See, the font is changed. Now the same thing for headings. Click on this option and select here. Alright, the font is already changed. Now click on this publish button. Your font is published now. Choose your preferred font and it will apply to all headings across your site. And now let me remind you one thing. Remember this, some themes don't support font customization from the customer. If you don't see this option, don't worry. Let me show you the second method. Go to your WordPress dashboard and here you have to click on this plugins and click add plugin. Here you have to search custom fonts. Okay, now click on this install now and then activate. Okay, now scroll down. In the appearance, you can see the custom fonts option. Click on this. Alright, now you can add the fonts manually. So we have to download some fonts to add. I will show you from where you can download any fonts you want. You can use these websites like 1001freefonts.com or you can go to this dafont.com. I will download 2 different fonts from these 2 websites. Okay, now from here I will download. Okay, let's download this one. Click on this download option. Here your font is downloaded. Now go to this website and download another one. Here I will download this one. Now click on this download. Alright, this one download as well. Now go to your file manager and extract this. Select these 2 and right click. Here you can see the extract all option. Click on this. Now click extract. Alright, your font's zip file is now extracted. Now go to your WordPress dashboard, click on this add new font, give the font name here and click on this choose file. Now select files, select this folder, here you can see the files. Now click on this and open it. And now click on this use font option. Now save this font. Okay, your font is added on your website. Now click another font. Click on this, add new font, give the font name, choose the another file. From upload file, select the file and use font. Now click on this save font. Okay, let's check these fonts. First, you have to go to your Elementor page, refresh your page one time. Now select any font you want. Like I am select this one and here you can see the style option. Go to the style, here the typography, click on this. You can see the family option. Now click on this. Here the custom font you added before. If you select this, here your font is already changed. Now if I change to the other one like the text, and there's the font we added before. Now click on this publish and it's instantly applied. And that's how you change fonts and install custom fonts in WordPress. And if this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials. I will see you in the next one.